So I just got myself this Wavytalk and I've just been kind of like playing around with it. I'm really bad at doing my hair, and having something like this is awesome. So it's like having a blow dry and a rolly brush all in one, because it does get plugged in and we do have different temperatures. So we've turned it on to the hottest temperature right now, which is 420. You can bring that down if you're worried about like singeing your hair, but so far so good over here. And then basically you're just gonna kind of like take little sections, and then you are going to just like roll it. And because you have that heat on there and you've got like the little rolly brush, you've even got this little piece right here that you can hold on to that's going to help you like twirl that. And we're going to get that through. And obviously you can hold it as long as you want depending on what kind of curl you're looking for. But then at the bottom, then you just get this cute little curl, and then it gets the rest of your hair nice and straight. Obviously you can see the difference of like the back here where I haven't done any of it compared to over here. My hair doesn't hold curls very well. What I would do is I would take a pass through this, and then I would take a bunch of hairspray and put that in, and then it would hold it, and then we'd just get some like nice kind of cute curls on the bottom. But yeah, really lightweight, really easy to use. I am definitely a fan. This is awesome.